Cybersecurity is not a career for the future. It is a war happening right now. While the world is distracted by viral trends and entertainment, cybercriminals are silently making billions. AI-powered hacks, ransomware attacks, deepfake scams, this is the digital battlefield. And in 2025, only those with the right cybersecurity skills will survive. Whether you want to protect your business, build a career, or defend yourself. Today, I'll show you the top 5 cybersecurity skills you need for 2025, even if you're a beginner. Chapter 1. Threat Intelligence and AI Defense. Threat intelligence is the ability to understand how attackers think, plan, and strike before they hit you. In 2025, cybersecurity is no longer about reacting, it's about predicting. Modern hackers use AI-generated malware, automated phishing, and even machine learning to bypass firewalls. To stop them, you must study attack patterns, track threat actors, analyze breach reports, and use AI tools for defense, not just protection. Examples: using VirusTotal and Maltego to analyze malware and attack sources, following real attack reports from MITRE ATT&CK, detecting AI phishing emails generated by tools like FraudGPT or WormGPT. If you don't understand the enemy, you will lose. Threat intelligence is how you stay one move ahead. Chapter 2. Cloud Security. Everything is moving to the cloud. Banks, hospitals, governments, schools, even cyber criminals. That means cloud security is no longer optional. It's mandatory. Cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud hold sensitive data. The problem? Most companies misconfigure their cloud settings, leaving private data publicly exposed by mistake. Hackers don't break in, they log in. What to learn? IAM, Identity Access Management. Cloud Encryption Storage Security, Zero Trust Security Model, securing APIs and cloud databases. Cloud security specialists are in massive demand. In 2025, this skill can get you remote jobs and serious money, even without a degree. Chapter 3. Digital Forensics Incident Response. No system is 100% secure. Sooner or later, every company gets attacked, and when that happens, they don't call the police first. They call incident response teams. Incident response, IR, is the skill of stopping cyber attacks while they are happening, before they spread. Digital forensics is about investigating the attack, tracking the hacker, and proving what happened. Tools used: autopsy, forensic disk analysis; volatility, memory forensics; Wireshark, network investigation; Splunk, logs and threat detection. This field makes you part detective, part hacker, part problem solver. Chapter 4. Automation Scripting. If you cannot automate in cybersecurity, you will fall behind. Real cyber pros do not waste time typing the same commands. They automate everything. Python and Bash scripting allow you to scan networks automatically, detect and block ransomware, monitor logs for suspicious activity, build simple hacking tools ethically. Tools like SnortIDS, Fail2ban, and Python scripts can help detect brute force attacks and stop them instantly. Automation makes you powerful. It turns one person into an entire cybersecurity team. Chapter 5. Threat Hunting. Threat hunting is the elite skill in cybersecurity. While normal security waits for alerts, threat hunters search for silent intruders already inside the system. Hackers don't always trigger alarms. Some stay hidden for months, watching, stealing, studying. Threat hunters track them using behavioral analysis, log correlation, MITRE ATT&CK mapping, endpoint investigation, EDR. This is chess-level cybersecurity. You hunt the hunter. Chapter 6. Bonus skill. Social engineering defense. Hackers don't need to break your system if they can break you. That's why social engineering is still the most successful attack method in the world. Phishing, fake job emails, fake login portals, romance scams, business email compromise. This is not hacking computers. It is hacking humans. To defend against social engineering, learn psychological attack methods, phishing detection, deepfake awareness, OSINT defense. If you can't detect manipulation, you will lose in cybersecurity. Chapter 7. Final Advice. Cybersecurity is not about tools, it's about mindset. Learn how hackers think. Learn how systems fail. Learn how attacks spread. Then use that knowledge to protect, not destroy. You don't need to know everything to start. Learn one skill. Get dangerous with it. Then level up. And remember, the internet is a battlefield. You're either protected or exposed. Choose. This video is for educational purposes only. All content is meant to promote ethical cybersecurity and digital safety. No illegal activity is encouraged. If you're serious about cybersecurity, not the fake tutorials, subscribe now. Because online, you're either the hunter or the hunted. Your choice.